Hi, this is Jessica Smith with Bland's Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today we're talking about peonies. Either pronounced peony or peony, depending on what part of the country you're from. They are an all-time favorite in old-fashioned gardens, with huge blooms in the springtime, and then after they're done blooming, it makes a nice little green shrub in any type of a flower bed or a shrub bed. There are two types of peonies. The herbaceous types that die down to the ground each year and then emerge with new leaves each year, or the tree types. The tree types are a woody type of a plant, more like a flowering shrub. Both of them produce those huge blooms in the spring. When planting peonies, make sure you prepare the soil with some nice organic matter. Now peonies, if you're planting bare root, you'll want to make sure that you plant the herbaceous types at least 2 inches below the soil level and the tree types at least 4 inches below the soil level. If you plant a peony too deep, it actually will not bloom for you. And also, if you're using a bare root type or one that somebody's giving you off of their one that they've just divided, remember it may take some time for it to reestablish, so it'll be a while before it blooms. Peonies like a full sunny location. One of the best things that you can do for your peonies is actually give them support. They're so top heavy that those big blooms will actually make them fall over. So put a peony cage around them. Put it down around the plant early enough in the spring so as the plant grows up, it'll grow through it. If you try to put a big peony around in here, you can actually damage a lot of the foliage or the stalks itself. So let the plant actually naturally grow around the support. Also watch for blight on peonies. It's probably one of the bigger problems that they have. Clean up your dead blooms. That can invite the fungal problems. And an iron problem. Sometimes they need some chelated iron put down on them. For the most part, they're relatively pest-free. A few ants around is actually beneficial. The ants get on the buds and feed off of the little secretion that comes out of the bud and actually will help it bloom. So unless the ants are in a huge mass, let them be around the peony. They actually need them.